Today we're here in sunshine at our longtime client ABC Photo Signs, who we've been working with for about 15 years, and now it's time for a long overdue interior refresh of their offices. The previous paint job was more than a decade old. Some walls had serious plaster damage and the doors were marked from old signage. The colours made the whole place feel closed in and very dated. Before painting, we repaired the plaster and restored the damaged doors, ready for a completely new look. For the walls, we chose Dulux Natural White, clean, bright and perfect for making the office feel larger and more inviting. The doors got a big change too. Haymes Venetian, a deep modern grey that replaces the old Tiffany blue style. We staged the work in 2 phases to minimise disruption. Staff were temporarily relocated, or we simply moved desks into the centre of each room so we could keep working. And because the carpet was being replaced straight after, we didn't need to protect it. That saved us time and helped us finish phase 1 in just 2 days. The result? A brighter, cleaner and more modern office space that staff can enjoy for years to come. If your workplace is ready for a fresh new look, we can help. From city office painting to wall repairs and door painting, we'll transform your commercial space with minimum disruption. Call Bill on 0403 162 374 or visit melbournecitymaintenance.com.au to request your free quote.